I think every geologist loves field work. They often say that the best geologist is the one who's seen the most rocks. It's where we learn to appreciate the scale and geometry of structures and understand how things work in 3 dimensions. My name is Roddy Muir and I'm the Managing Director of Midland Valley, and we're here today on the magnificent north face of Ben Nevis. Field mapping can be quite a laborious task. You have to carry a lot of equipment with you. A heavy map board with a waterproof cover to protect your paper map. You have to carry a hand-bearing compass. You have to carry a very good camera with you and a notebook. All of that can be replaced just simply with the technology that now exists on your smartphone. So we've developed an app for the smartphone called FieldMove Clino, and it uses the sensors in your phone and turns it into a digital compass-clinometer. It also has a notebook inside and a camera, and it lets you basically collect data almost 10 times faster than you would with a traditional hand-bearing compass. As part of your training as a geologist, field mapping is probably the most important core skill that you can be taught. And that's one of the reasons why we've developed this app, is to try and encourage students to get out into the field more, to collect data, and to start to analyse that data and think what it means in terms of the structural development of the area that they're looking at. FieldMove Clino lets you capture the orientation of planar and linear features in the field. It also has a notebook in there so that you can record information on the features that you're measuring. It uses the internal camera in the phone, but it's part of the app itself, so any photographs that you record are geo-referenced and captured in the notebook as well, and you can write notes on those. It also lets you plot the data up on a stereo net inside the app, and you can draw on the map where your data is recorded.
So I'm Jenny Ellis, I'm a structural geologist from Midland Valley. Before we came, we loaded in some maps into the app. So we loaded in a high-resolution satellite image and also a contour map, and some pre-existing contacts that had been mapped in the field already.
When I start using the app, I need to first of all set up a project within the app, and that will automatically label the project and set up the magnetic declination. I then need to set up a list of rock units or a stratigraphy within the app, and I can do that very quickly. As soon as those features have been set up, I can start gathering data straight away. After a day in the field, we can very quickly get our data out of the app. We can export it as a CSV file or as a MOVE file and put it into Midland Valley's MOVE software for further analysis.
The app allows you to collect structural readings, set a bearing. You can take georeference photographs and write notes. It's really our entire mapping kit in one device. It allows you to collect data so much faster than with the traditional kit, and we can also get into some really inaccessible places with the app.